Hello students, in this video we are going to solve y square minus x plus 8 is multiplied by x square plus 2, this is equals to 0. Y square minus 8 plus 4x times y plus 16 plus 16 times x minus 5x square, this is equals to 0. Here we will find out the value of x and y. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Look carefully, equation number second. Equation number second is quadratic equation in terms of y. If we consider 8 plus 4x is a coefficient of y and 16 plus 16x minus 5x square is constant term and coefficient of y square is 1. Then this is quadratic equation in terms of y. By using quadratic formula we will find out the value of y. And then substitute values of y here and then find out the value of x easily. Now here we know that value of a is 1 and value of b is minus 8 plus 4x and value of c is 16 plus 16x minus 5x square. Now first we will find out the value of discriminant. We know that discriminant is b square minus 4ac. D is equals to value of b is minus 8 plus 4x bracket whole square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is 16 plus 16x minus 5x square. Then d is equals to, this is same as 8 plus 4x whole square minus 4 is multiplied by 1, then we get 4 and 4 is multiplied by 16, then we get 64 and here minus, so here 64 and minus 4 is multiplied by minus 16x, then we get minus 64 times x and minus 4 is multiplied by minus 5x square, then we get plus 20x square. Then d is equals to, here if we apply a plus b whole square and we know that a plus b whole square, this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. If we apply this rule here, then 8 square plus 4x square plus 2 times 8 and here 4 times x minus 64 minus 64x plus 20x power 2. Then d is equals to 8 square is 64 plus 4x square, that is 16x square. Then here 64 plus 16x square. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64 times x. Here 64 times x minus 64 minus 64x minus 64 minus 64x and here plus 20x square plus 20x square. Then d is equals to 64, this is positive and this is negative, is cancel out. 64x is positive minus 64x is positive, this is cancel out. Then 16x square 20x square is 36x square. Y is equals to minus b plus minus square root of, and we know that b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of quadratic equation. Then here d and divide by 2 times a. Y is equals to minus and here b, value of b is minus 8 plus 4x minus 8 plus 4x and plus minus square root of d, that is 36x square, and divide by 2 times a, and we know that value of a is 1, then 2 times 1 is 2. Y is equals to, this minus is multiplied by this minus, then we get plus, then 8 plus 4x plus minus square root of 36 x square and divide by 2. Then y is equals to 8 plus 4x plus minus 36x square. We know that square root of 36 is 6 and square root of x square is x and divide by 2. We have two values of y. First value of y is equals to 8 plus 4x, and if we take positive sign then here 6x and divide by 2, and y is equals to here 8 plus 4x minus 6x. 8 plus 4x minus 6x and divide by 2. Y is equals to 8 plus 4x plus 6x is 10x and divide by 2. Y is equals to here 8 over 2 plus 10x over 2. Then y is equals to 8 divided by 2, then we get 4 plus 10 divided by 2, then we get 5x. Here y is equals to 4 plus 5x. Now y is equals to 8 plus 4x minus 6x, that is minus 2x. Then here minus 2x and divide by 2. This is same as y is equals to 8 divided by 2 minus 2x divided by 2. Then y is equals to 8 divided by 2, then we get 4 minus this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, then here x. We have two possible values of y. Let us consider this is case first and this is case second. Case first, that is y is equals to 4 plus 5x. And we know that equation first is y square minus x plus 8. Y square minus x plus 8 is multiplied by x square and then plus 2, this is equals to 0, plus 2, this is equals to 0, and we know that value of y is 4 plus 5x. Then this y is replaced by 4 plus 5x whole square and minus x is multiplied by x square plus 2, x is multiplied by x square plus 2, plus 8 is multiplied by x square plus 2, and this is equals to 0. If we apply a plus b whole square, we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Then 4 square plus 5x square plus 2 times 4 times 5x minus x is multiplied by x square, then we get x power 3, plus x is multiplied by 2, then we get 2 times x, and 8 is multiplied by x square, then we get 8x square. 8 is multiplied by 2, then we get plus 16, and this is equals to 0. Here 4 square is 16, 5x square is 25x square, plus 2 times 4, that is 8, 8 times 5, that is 40x, minus this minus is multiplied by 2x, then we get minus 2x, minus is and this minus is multiplied by 16, then we get minus 16, and this is equals to 0. Here this is plus 16 and this is minus 16 is cancel out, 25x square, and here minus 8x square is 17x square, 40x minus 2x, that is plus 38x, and here minus x power 3, this is equals to 0. If we multiplied both side minus 1, then x power 3 minus 17x square minus 38x, and this is equals to 0. If we take common x, then here x square minus 17x minus 38, and this is equals to 0. Here x times x square. This is quadratic equation. Here first we will factorize this quadratic and then find out the value of x. Minus 17x is same as minus 19x plus 2x minus 38, and this is equals to 0. Then here x times, look carefully these two terms. If we take common x, then here x minus 19, and here if we take common plus 2, then x minus 19, and this is equals to 0. Here x times x minus 19 is common out. If we take x minus 19 is common, then here x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then here we can say x is equals to 0, x minus 19, this is equals to 0, or x plus 2, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is 0, and here value of x is 19, and here value of x is minus 2. And we know that value of y is 4 plus 5x. 4 plus 5x. If x is equals to 0, then this implies y is equals to, x is replaced by 0, 5 times 0 is 0, then y is equals to 4. If x is equals to 19, this implies x is replaced by 19, then here y is equals to 4 plus 95, that is 99. Then if x is equals to minus 2, this implies this x is replaced by minus 2, then 4 plus minus 10, 4 plus 5, and x is replaced by minus 2, then 4 minus 10, and this is minus 6. We have three solutions here. If x is 0, then y is 4, and x is 19, then y is 99, and if x is minus 2, then now solve case second. Case second is y is equals to 4 minus x. Y is equals to 4 minus x, and equation first is y square minus x plus 8. Y square minus x plus 8 is multiplied by x square plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then this y is replaced by 4 minus x, then here 4 minus x whole square minus x plus 8 times x square plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here if we apply a minus b whole square, and we know that the algebraic identity of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. Now if we apply this identity here, then 4 square plus x square minus 2 times a, that is 4, and b, that is x, then minus, first if we multiplied these binomials, then x is multiplied by x square plus 2, and then plus 8 is multiplied by x square plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then 4 square is 16 plus x square minus 2 times 4 is 8 times x, minus x is multiplied by x square, then we get x power 3, and x is multiplied by plus 2, then we get plus 2 times x, and here 8 is multiplied by x square, then we get plus 8x square, and this 8 is multiplied by 2, then we get plus 16, and this is equals to 0. 16 plus x square minus 8x, this minus is multiplied by x cube, then we get minus x cube, minus is multiplied by 2x, then we get minus 2x, minus is multiplied by plus 8x square, then we get minus 8x square, minus is multiplied by 16, then we get minus 16, and this is equals to 0. This is plus 16 and this is minus 16 is cancel out, then x square and here minus 8x square, this is minus 7 times x square minus x cube and minus 8x minus 2x, that is minus 10x, and this is equals to 0. This is cubic equation. Now first if we multiplied both side minus 1, then in left hand side x cube plus 7x square plus 10 times x, and this is equals to 0. Here, this is cubic equation, and look carefully. If we take common x, then x square plus 7 times x plus 10, and this is equals to 0. This is linear factor and this is quadratic factor. Now first we will factorize this quadratic. Here x times x square, this 7 times x is same as 5 times x plus 2 times x plus 10, and this is equals to 0. Then x times, look carefully these two terms, if we take common x, then here x plus 5 plus here, look carefully these two terms, here if we take common 2, then x plus 5, and this is equals to 0. Here x times x plus 5, x plus 5 is common, then here x plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Then we can say x is equals to 0 and x plus 5 is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to minus 5, and x plus 2, this is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to minus 2. Value of x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 5, and x is equals to minus 2. We know that value of y is 4 minus x. Y is equals to 4 minus x. If x is equals to 0, this implies y is equals to 4, because here x is replaced by 0. This implies y is equals to, x is replaced by minus 5, and this minus is multiplied by minus, then we get plus 5 plus 5 plus 4, that is 9. Then here value of y is 9, and x is equals to minus 2. This implies y is equals to 6. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.